Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to disable all notifications on the SoundCloud app using your Android phone. If you find the alerts distracting or just want some peace, this guide will help you turn them off quickly and easily. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Inbox from the Settings menu. Now, tap on Notification Settings to manage your alerts. Finally, turn off all the mobile notifications by toggling off each option available. That's it. You have successfully disabled all notifications on the SoundCloud app. This simple process will help you enjoy your music without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.